Hi all, welcome back. So this video is about delta strangles. So when we say delta strangle, so we are doing intraday strangles. Strangles meaning short strangle. We are selling both the call leg and the put leg. So this is the new addition in the Nifty sheet. I'll be adding shortly in the Bank Nifty sheet as well. So what this does is say, let's say, okay, this is yesterday's data, recording today morning. So you can see yesterday it picked up this particular uh, short straddle 17,850 call and 17,600 put. So the combined premium of both, like 22 plus 17, around 39 was the combined premium. Now this gets updated every 1 minute. You can see, right? Every 1 minute this data gets updated. So this is your call leg running profit, put leg running profit, like you see in other platforms, Opstra or Sensible, etc. So the same thing is here. What's the difference is, so build some logic around adjustment. So whenever it sees there is a need for adjustment, it will propose and make it. So for example, the market went a little up yesterday. So this call leg from profit it went into loss. Around 10:15 it started going into loss. Okay, and around here 10:40 it gave an alert adjustment that we need to come out of 17,850 call and move to 17,950 call. Okay, so 2150, like around this will make adjustment. We'll book this loss. Okay, so that's why you see at the top 2150 is the loss booked in the call, and we have sold another call or same quantity with 17950 strike, and it was trading at, let's say, 7.3 premium. All right. So now our combined is 7.3 plus the ongoing for the put is 19. Sorry, 12. So 7 plus 12 is 19 something is the current strangle premium. Then this goes on. Okay, this thing goes on. It goes into profit call leg. The new call leg also goes into trouble because market is trending up, and then this is around 11, 12, and definitely if call is giving trouble then puts are giving profit, but there is no need to adjust put at this moment. Okay, um, so if I go towards the end of the day, so this call also now started to give some profits. So if I go and then it went into loss again, then towards the end of the day you get 1800 in the call, or 4000 something in put. Okay, and we booked the loss of 2150. So this is around 330 325 you can evaluate to exit intraday positions. So if you add these up and subtract this, you book around a profit of 4000 in the automated strangles. Here at the top, you'll also keep seeing when was the sheet last updated. Okay, so every 1 minute it gets updated, and you can here have a look what was the last updated timestamp. So we're doing 10 lots intraday, and the margin requirement for this is, I kept a reference screenshot for the users. So this is like a reference screenshot. If you want to do 10 lots with hedging, hedging when we say we buy deep OTM, like 3423 rupees call put to just to reduce the margin. So it takes around 5.5 lakh. So on 5.5 lakh intraday you make 3k 4k. This day it's very less because the premiums IV is very less. India VIX is below 12, so not a very conducive environment for option writers at this current market structure where we are. But nonetheless, this is now live with auto adjustments, and I'm planning to add a lot of others, other different option strategies. The next in pipeline I'm thinking is on Ironfly. So Ironfly will be a little difficult one because there you have to do a lot of adjustment. Ironfly is one of the highly, I mean, it contains high adjustment strategies. You move leg inside, outside, add additional, do additional selling, etc. Whatever. But this is intraday. You can have a look here. And Ironfly will make it a positional, meaning we'll enter on Friday and then exit on Thursday next week. All right. So this I wanted to show. I mean, in, members in the WhatsApp group, they were asking about what is auto, delta, strangles, etc. So this is the explanation about it. There are other strategies as well. Like you see, if you have entered a straddle yesterday, this was the profit. If you entered triple straddle, this was the profit. These are plain option selling strategies where we are not adjusting anything. If we enter at the morning, we carry it till the end. Strangled, double broken wing, ironfly, Batman, time-based straddles, meaning we enter at one at 9:20, then at 11:20, and after 2 hours again we enter another straddle. So likewise, this is live PNL that gets updated. Okay, and you can see in the day what was the max profit it went to, how much max loss it went to, and towards the closing what was the PNL. And apart from this, I've added multi-strike OI. Okay, this is one of the paid features in other platforms like Sensible, etc. So here you can select anything that you want to see. So I generally keep members keep adding different strikes. So I ensure that we are checking only near the money in multiple strikes, open change in open interest. So yesterday you can see market was trending up. So the puts were highly being written and the calls were going down. This bar graph also shows you the same picture. Puts were having the hold, and then there are data points like every 15 minutes, 1 hour, daily, which strike is in what action. Apart from the change in open interest, we've also added this multi-strike open interest put call ratio. So here, let me zoom out a bit. So here I've added some of them. Let's say if you want to add another one, 17,600 put call ratio. So you'll see this. What is the put call ratio on this one, this particular strike? So this gives a fair idea what strike may not break this expiry given the current live snapshot of put to call ratio. So you can gauge a confidence level of the writers by looking all these data points. Yeah, these are interesting things. Interesting live data points gives you a little bit of conviction. Say if you're trading with your own technique using price action or any indicator, be standard, be it mine or anyone else, these data points help you build some strong conviction. And this is the new edition, right? Delta strangle is something that now, even if 2-3 adjustments come, you for someone who's very beginner, say even my dad can see and trade it. Even my sister who doesn't understand a lot of nitty-gritties about option adjustments, she can peacefully trade and make some money sitting home. And these are I've kept it very conservative, designed it in a very conservative way, just in a good spirit that the members who are using it, they do not lose money. So if they don't lose money, then ultimately the natural theta decay will kick in and they will make money. The idea is to not lose money and not lose our capital. That's the whole intent. And you'll also see many traders, uh, good traders on YouTube. They go come live and even show you live adjustments. So they do the same thing actually. So this is something I've automated this. So if you are looking at, if let's say you are trading with me, you're looking at this strike, then you also know where I am adjusting. Correct. So you don't need not to ask me what's the adjustment, what strike, what time. Okay. So this was a very quick thing about this particular sheet that I've added. We'll be shortly adding in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty will be a little while, of course. I recommend you can start with a little bit of quantities in Nifty, and then you have to do it daily. And if you think adjust, see yesterday there was only one adjustment. If you feel there are a lot of adjustments, 2 or 3 or 4 adjustments, and your number of lots is too less and it is eating the profit, then you may evaluate options on the free brokers or the free brokerage, providing brokers. I don't recommend any, but you can explore those options. Apart from this, there are very other good sheets like FIDI data points. This anyways I keep sharing on Twitter and on our groups. Nifty top 10. So you can see, right, if you this balance of power. So you can see ITC yesterday was very strong. HDFC Bank was bearish. SBI was very strong. So if you keep seeing these data points, you can get a feeler of M score and where the market is booming. Your triangle. This is all technical data points. Which strike maximum writing, unwinding happening, all moving average. This is all technical stuff. Those who are interested to dig deep into technicals. Then we have VIX and GAN levels. Right now, it's open price is not, but as market opens, it'll be updated. And these are VIX based ranges. Okay, S1, S2, R1, R2, support and resistance, and based upon that, how much is the premium, and what if you do what strategy positionally, then what sort of a return you would be getting. Then we have all complete sectors and indices data points, and which ones are in action with the annual bull percentage that we see, right? So you can also have a look around this. All right, so yeah, here we can see FMCG is doing pretty well on an annual basis. Yeah, so keep an eye. Okay, so as I add more strategies or live automated way of doing things, simple actually, I should call a word simple way of doing things, not complicating things. So yeah, I'll let you know in another video. So until then, please be with the channel, and if you like the video, help and support, share with your friends, and let me know if there is any question in Telegram or WhatsApp or in the comments as well. I'll make sure I find time and respond to all of them. So thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.